Fujitsu Manufacturing Industry Solution, Fjvps MFG is a digital manufacturing tool that utilizes three-dimensional model data to support product assembly verification and process design, to improve the efficiency and quality of production preparation work. Now, let's take a look at the functions of Fjvps MFG, which covers the entire production preparation work. Change the CAD data structure to the structure and procedure for assembling the product. Select the parts in the order of disassembly from the assembled 3D model and rearrange them. An animation is generated when the changes to the assembly procedure are complete. Jigs and tools can also be displayed during the animation. Interference between parts in the assembly route and with jigs and tools can also be checked, so assembly availability can be verified. From the created assembly animation, still images are extracted and output together with operation information to create various manufacturing documents at once. Even if there is a change in the product shape or assembly procedure, the changed part can be immediately reflected in the document, so the time for document creation and correction can be greatly reduced. The man-hours required for each work can be calculated from information such as the size of parts and assembly method. Based on that time, check the work balance between processes, and if the balance is not good, make improvements by changing the procedure. It is also possible to display and check process information such as the total operation time of each process, equipment used, and a list of parts used. These process information can be output as BOP information and used in systems such as MES. The operating procedure and process information verified by Fjvps MFG can be used for manufacturing line layout simulation by passing it to FJGP4D. It is possible to improve the walking route of workers and the layout of equipment in a three-dimensional space. Assembly animations created by Fjvps MFG are useful for work instructions. Fjvps Assembly Instruction Viewer plays the assembly animation and the operator follows it. This viewer can also be connected to MES and various assembly tools to record work time and inspection results. As a result, work quality is improved and the work site is paperless. As you can see, Fjvps MFG supports the front-loading, work efficiency and quality improvement of production preparation work.
Fujitsu, shaping tomorrow with you.